Hello, and a warm welcome to our course on sustainable urban freight transport. My name is Lori Tavassi, Professor of Freight and Logistics Systems at the TU Delft, the Netherlands. Together with our partners of the VREF Global Center of Excellence for Sustainable Urban Freight Systems, we have prepared an online course on the science and practice of sustainable urban freight transport. This video is to explain the structure of the course. The goal of the MOOC is to provide you with the knowledge needed to make urban freight transport more sustainable. As you hear in this course, you will already be aware how important the city transport system is to deliver groceries to supermarkets, new supplies to shopping centers, and also your new phone to your doorstep. And also, you will probably be interested in how to plan and improve the transport system and how to manage the sustainability challenges of our cities. In the coming weeks, we will be working on precisely this intersection of urban freight and sustainability. This slide shows the structure of the MOOC. Altogether, the course has 6 weeks. Some weeks are devoted to explain freight transport challenges and solutions in cities around the world, and others are more methodological in nature to help you reach a systematic understanding of all the elements of the system. Around the world, there are hundreds of improvement initiatives that did not succeed because people failed to appreciate the complexity of the urban freight system. This is why the methodological part of the course is so important. We will kick off the course in week 1 with an introduction of typical challenges and visions of city logistics in different parts of the world. We will see what cities like London, New Delhi, and Rotterdam in the Netherlands are facing and what they are doing to improve their freight systems. Colleagues contributing to this week include Professor Michael Brown of the University of Göteborg and Professor Sanjay Gupta of the University of New Delhi. In week 2, we will present a more systematic picture of urban freight. Professor Russell Thompson from the University of Melbourne, Australia, will explain the system of urban freight in all its dimensions and present an interesting case study of a major shopping center in Melbourne. Next, we dive into the different ways that city logistics can be improved by policymakers and transport service providers. In week 3, Dr. Ron van Duin of TU Delft and Dr. Hans Kwak from TNO in the Netherlands will share with us possible improvements, how they are done in practice, and how the field will evolve in the future. In week 4, Professor Eiichi Taniguchi from Kyoto, Japan, founder of the Institute of City Logistics, will guide us through the evaluation methods to assess the impacts of urban freight systems. He finishes with an application of the approach in a case study in Japan. In week 5, I will discuss with you some selected research methods in the field of city logistics. These support the evaluation and implementation of solutions. We will end this week with a short assignment on network modeling brought to you by my colleague Professor Johan Joubert from the University of Pretoria, South Africa. Finally, week 6 introduces the most recent challenges for city logistics. The emphasis here is on new ways to reach a sustainable course. We have several young scholars from Europe who will talk about e-commerce and social equity, crowd shipping, electric vehicles, and zero-emission zone policies. These new ideas have been spurred by the global pandemic and will shape many innovations in the near future. Through this short course, we hope you will learn some essentials that will help you to improve freight systems of cities around the world. Good luck!